Do you want a sharper, AI-enhanced photo in seconds? Here's how to use the Photoshop's Generative Upscale to boost image resolution effortlessly. So first thing you want to do is basically select a file, open your file to a resolution or a low and detailed image. Then you want to select that image and go to Generative Upscale. So in that option, you'll see the Generative Upscale dialog. Select the desired output scale, like 2 times or 4 times, and adjust the parameters as needed. Then you want to select the AI model to power the upscaling. Each model delivers a distinct type of enhancement, a Firefly upscaler, a Topaz gigapixel, and a Topaz bloom. So each of them has their own usage and options. Then you want to select the upscale button to create the upscaled image in a new document with an updated name. And take note, generative upscale consumes a different amount of credits based on the model and upscale fill and file output size. So if the chosen scale factor exceeds the model's limit, you can reduce the scale factor or resize the image. Like for Firefly, you have 5 to 10 credits. With Topaz Labs, you have 10, 20, and 35 credits depending on each Topaz feature. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications.